Have you ever run out of ink at the worst possible moment or wasted hours replacing cartridges? Imagine a printer that comes ready to go for years, handles high-volume printing effortlessly, and stays connected wirelessly without constant maintenance. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we break down products thoughtfully, helping you make informed choices without the noise. Today, we're reviewing the HP SmartTank 5101 Wireless All-in-One Printer, Scanner, and Copier, a refillable tank printer that comes with 2 years of HP ink included. This printer is designed for home offices, families, and anyone who prints frequently, delivering both convenience and low-cost operation. The purchase link is in the description if you want to check the latest price. If you rely on printing for work, school, or personal projects, this printer is relevant to you. It's especially valuable if you've grown frustrated with small cartridges, expensive ink, or slow print speeds. Let's explore why this HP model has gained traction among users and is trusted by many 5-star reviewers. Reason number 1. Long-lasting ink supply. One of the most compelling aspects of the SmartTank 5101 is its high-capacity, refillable tanks. HP includes enough ink to print approximately 6,000 black pages or 6,000 color pages, giving you 2 years of printing right out of the box. This significantly reduces the hassle of frequent refills and the cost of standard cartridges, making it ideal for families or home offices with consistent printing needs. Reason number 2. Low-cost, high-volume printing. The printer is engineered for efficiency. By using refillable ink tanks rather than cartridges, each page costs far less. This design is not only budget-friendly but also environmentally conscious, reducing the plastic waste generated by disposable cartridges. Over time, this can translate to substantial savings without compromising print quality. Reason number 3. Versatile all-in-one functionality. The HP SmartTank 5101 is not just a printer. It's a scanner and copier as well, supporting a wide range of tasks from document duplication to scanning high-quality images. This versatility makes it perfect for home office setups, remote learning environments, or even creative projects, all from a single compact device. Reason number 4. Reliable wireless connectivity. This printer offers wireless printing through a self-healing Wi-Fi connection, compatible with 2.4 GHz networks. You can print from smartphones, tablets, or laptops seamlessly, whether you're at your desk or across the room. The ease of connection enhances workflow and eliminates the clutter of cables, providing a more streamlined home setup. Reason number 5. High-quality everyday prints. Despite being an ink-efficient tank printer, the SmartTank 5101 delivers impressive color and black and white print quality. Text comes out crisp, graphics are sharp, and photos are vibrant and true to life. Whether you're printing reports, school projects, or cherished photos, this printer maintains consistently professional results. Reason number 6. Quick and simple setup. HP has designed this printer to be easy to set up and operate. With an intuitive control panel and the HP Smart app, printing, scanning, and copying becomes effortless. Users can manage tasks directly from their devices, monitor ink levels, and even set up borderless photo prints without technical frustration. Reason number 7. Compact, thoughtful design. The SmartTank 5101 has a compact footprint, which fits comfortably in a home office, study, or even a living room. Its clean design and discreet tank system make it both visually unobtrusive and functional, with easy-to-access tanks for refills. This makes maintenance straightforward and reduces downtime. Reason number 8. Trusted brand with proven reliability. HP is one of the most trusted printer brands globally, and the SmartTank 5101 benefits from decades of engineering expertise. It's trusted by many 5-star reviewers, consistently praised for longevity, print quality, and ease of use, which provides peace of mind for anyone making a long-term investment in a home printing solution. Final verdict: the HP SmartTank 5101 Wireless All-in-One Printer is an exceptional choice for anyone who prints frequently at home. It's not the fastest printer on the market, and its wireless compatibility is limited to 2.4 GHz networks, which may matter for some users, but these are minor considerations compared to the value it delivers. With 2 years of included ink, high-quality output, and versatile all-in-one functionality, it's ideal for home offices, students, and families who want reliable, low-cost, high-volume printing. If you want a printer that minimizes ongoing costs, delivers consistent quality, and keeps setup and operation simple, this is one of the best options available today. Consider this printer a long-term investment in stress-free, high-quality printing. The purchase link is in the description for your convenience.